One copy of the Wall Street Journal, $1.50. One pair of prescription glasses to wear when reading the Wall Street Journal, $189. And one energy drink to keep you awake through all 72 pages, $2.89. The end of MasterCard commercial parodies? Priceless. If you haven't guessed, today's zooming stock rocket is MasterCard. It trades under the ticker symbol MA. One share will set you back about $200, but that's your problem, big spender. Today, there are more than 9 million MasterCard credit cards in circulation. Just look for the interlocking red and yellow globes. That amount of plastic even puts Posh Spice to shame. Hey, if Mrs. Beckham painted one red and one yellow, she could be the new MasterCard mascot. MasterCard has set itself apart from a lot of other credit card companies. The company processes credit card payments, but doesn't take on the debt. Instead, it makes its money through transaction fees. That means MasterCard makes money every time a cardholder makes a purchase. Can you say ka-ching? The future looks good for this steadily climbing stock rocket. Consumers continue to favor plastic over old-fashioned cash or checks. Plus, MasterCard has strengthened its business abroad. The company is targeting South Asia, the Middle East, and Latin America as areas of high growth. If the U.S. economy stalls, the company can rely on its international merchants and customers. And don't discount MasterCard's strong branding. MasterCard's priceless ad campaign has been so successful that the company has registered the word priceless as a trademark. Now that's priceless. Remember, shoppers, there are some things money can't buy. If you're the shallow type, keep checking StockRockets.tv for stocks that you can buy. I'm Barbie Hargrave.